Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping on this video. My name is Bubs B, and in today's video I'm giving you guys a super cute hairstyle. Super simple to achieve using some great products. Thank you Sally Beauty for sponsoring today's video, and let's get into it. Alright, I'm starting on old hair. We need a good refresh. We need a good cleansing. So I am going to wash it, obviously, because I got a little buildup, a little product buildup. My scalp is a little bit itchy and irritated. It's time for a good cleansing in this Florida heat. It's hot. It's hot. My scalp is sweaty. So I'm actually going to be using the full We Dad collection. Not all the products, some of the products. But I'm going to be using first the Advanced Climate Control Defrizzing Shampoo. I do want to mention that I do have a code at Sally Beauty if you want to save on these products. So definitely check that code out, all right? So using this Climate Control Defrizzing Shampoo, it's actually a gentle cleanser, and it's going to define the curls and prevent frizz, which is a great foundation for any style. It's blended with emollients, which is nourishing for the hair, but it still can cleanse. It's going to seal the hair cuticle, keeping the moisture in and the humidity out. In the Florida heat now, it's hot, and with the heat and the sun rays and all that, frizz will come. All right, I'm gonna lose definition, but this is going to minimize the frizz. It actually has that UV filter in it, which is great for environmental aggressors. This is safe on color treated hair. It contains shea butter. It has vitamin A and E to add that moisture shine. It's going to help seal in the hair cuticle and retain the moisture in the hair shaft. So I'm actually going to use this 2 times, and after rinsing it out, my hair was left super soft and ready to be conditioned. Now I'm going in with their Whipped Curl Daily Conditioner and Styling Primer, which has this mousse pump, foam pump. This was very cool to use. I was very excited. So I'm going to apply a generous amount because my curls need that ultimate conditioning. This is made to deeply nourish, strengthen, and moisturize my curls. It's going to give me a perfect canvas for my curl pattern. If your hair is prone to dryness, this is the conditioner for you. It's going to eliminate frizz. I also like that this conditioner is kind of heavy and it weighs the curls down. That gives my hair ultimate slip and movement and curl definition. I love that. It has glycerin, shea butter, olive oil. Those are great ingredients for protection. It also gives the hair vitamins A and E. It gives the hair shine. This product also has green tea extract, and that is great at locking in moisture and helping in preventing dryness and split ends. And you can see my detangling tool is going right through the hair easily with no fuss, no tugging at all. I'm going to detangle my hair casually, I would say, all over. Really smooth this conditioner in and let it sit for about 10 minutes. It does say to leave on for 3 to 5, but I said 10. I said 10, okay? So I left it in for about 10 minutes. You can add a cap if you want to, or you can actually leave this in. This is a perfect curl primer for your styles because it's going to restore your curl strength and add that softness. This is a great base to your styles, but I'm just going to rinse it out and go in with a different product. Now using the Moisture Lock Leave-In Conditioner by We Dad, I'm going to use this to seal in some moisture. It's super lightweight and it will keep my hair shaft hydrated. This is going to be the perfect base to do any style with because this isn't going to weigh the hair down at all, but it is going to add that softness. It has provitamin B5, which is great at sealing in moisture and making your strands softer and shinier. It also has prickly pear cactus extract. That is great at sealing in the moisture for superior conditioning. What's also great is that this product contains that green tea extract, which I said before, it helps prevent dryness and split ends and locking in moisture. Now you could apply a little or a lot, whatever you like to do. I like to apply a lot just because I have a ton of hair, kinky hair, and I want my hair to be thoroughly saturated. So now I'm just going to part off a section in the crown because I will be, I don't know, doing something. You'll see it at the end. I'm going to just part that section off, and then I'm going to detangle that section thoroughly because I need it detangled for what I'm going to do with it later. And to get the section out the way, I'm just going to braid it up and work on the rest of my hair. Now starting in the back, because I like to work from the back and work my way forward. I'm going to grab a large section, detangle it, and I will go in with my next product, which is their Advanced Climate Control Heat and Humidity Gel. You're like, what? What are you doing? Are you doing a washing gel? No, I'm not. I'm actually doing a braid out, but I really wanted definition, and I wanted like a light, fluffy definition, but still having that great crunch. Like I said, I live in Florida now. It's hot, it's humid, it's the summertime, the sun rays are beaming, okay? And I want my style to last, and this gel works great at that. Actually, the whole WeDad Advanced Climate Control collection works great with humidity. So this gel is enhanced with that anti-frizz nanotechnology for curl definition and frizz protection. You want to just start off with a little, and if you need more you can add more, but I noticed that if I added too much I was getting a little bit of flaking, so do not apply a ton. I like that this seals in the cuticle as well, keeping the moisture in and taking that humidity out. All right, that's what we don't need. We don't need humidity over here. It also has that wheat protein, which is great at reducing hair porosity and the tangles, and it makes the strands healthier, shinier, and more manageable. So you can see I'm grabbing large sections, detangling, applying that gel, and braiding the section down. Now I'm probably going to do about 9 to 10 braids. I personally love chunky braid out because I get more fluffiness, so that's what I'm going to do for today. So now I'm back to do the style I wanted to do in the front. Now I'm actually going to detangle that section backwards because I'm actually going to apply a hair tie. I'm using my brush to smooth it down, and using that hair tie I'm going to secure the section. Now once that is done, I'm going to break that section in half and apply 2 plaits. That's all I'm going to do. I did add some of that gel as well just to ensure the section is smooth, and I'm going to plait the section downward. And you can see all my plaits are installed. This took under an hour to do. I'm being serious, it took under an hour to do. I'm telling you, these products work so well. Now this is about a day or so later, I believe, maybe 2 days. My hair is completely dry now, and because I waited about 2 days, I'm gonna get ultimate definition now. So to unravel those braids, I'm just gently unraveling them the opposite way that I installed them. I'm going to do that all over my head. If you want more definition with this hairstyle, do not separate as much as I do. Just fluff the roots and pick it, but don't separate a lot. I like to do when it comes to my hairstyles. I like volume, I like definition, but I love volume. I like the mixture of two. So if I get frizz because I am picking my hair a lot and separating a lot, oh well, okay, that's bigger hair for me, and that's what I like. That's what I like on my style. So I'm going to fluff and pick and separate the sections and just style it and shape it the way I want. And these are my finished results. Definition, softness, fluffiness, and the style is going to last in the humidity thanks to those WeDad products. Thank you so much, Sally Beauty, for sponsoring today's video. I really did enjoy using the WeDad collection. These are some new products to me, but I definitely achieved the look I was going for with a few simple steps. Let me know down below what you thought of this video. I'm going to leave my affiliate code down below so you can check out more products at Sally Beauty. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.